Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the construction that's going on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are on the section of the highway that runs from Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. This is a new road that's being built, and we're taking a look at it. So this highway will run from Harborview to Port Antonio, and this section that we're driving on is section 1A, which is from Harborview to the Yallows Bridge. And so let's take a look at this section. This road, the road alignment, that's the Harborview to the Yallows Bridge. The road alignment begins at the eastern end of the Harborview Bridge. It will continue eastward adjacent to the main road leading to 11 miles Bull Bay. The road then diverts south at 11 miles Bull Bay towards the Suncoast Adventure Park. A new road of 2.8 kilometers will be built, and that's the road that we are on now. The new road that is being built through the hills, which is where we are now. So this road will take you from Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then the road diverts south at 11 miles towards the Suncoast Adventure Park. It will rejoin the existing road leading towards Grand Spend. The road then a new road has been built bypassing the community of Grand Spend, and then that road then continues from Grand Spend to Albion St. Thomas. It then ends at the western end of the Yallows Bridge. So that is section 1A of this Southern Coastal Highway project. And this section is well advanced, as you can see. It should open. This project started in 2017 and it's scheduled to end in 2025. However, this section is going to finish long before 2025, and probably next year, this section of the highway is open to the public to use. Now, this highway is not a toll road. It's very important to note it's not a toll road. You don't have to pay to use this road. That's why it can run along the existing roadway and not cause a problem, because there is no toll. Highway 2000 is a toll road. That road runs from Kingston to Montego Bay and from Kingston to Ocho Rios. That is a toll road, and the highway is being built in sections. So you're going to have Kingston to Maypen is open now. Maypen to Mandeville will open next year, and those are all going to be toll roads. They are toll roads, and it will be a toll road all the way to Montego Bay. The section from Mandeville to Montego Bay has not been built yet, but it will be built and it will be a toll road. So this highway, the Southern Coastal Highway, runs from Harborview to Port Antonio, no toll. It's a free road. And the road from the Northern Coastal Highway runs from Port Antonio to Negril, also a free road, no toll. And section 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project will be to build a highway from Negril to Manchester, also will be a free road, no toll. So that's very important to point out. Okay, so this section now, Kingston, Harborview to Port Antonio to Yallows. The road will be 17.4 kilometers in total length, and a new alignment road of 2.8 kilometers will be built. So this is the new road, 2.8 kilometers, that is being built. And the highway will be 4 lanes from Harborview to Albion. 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. You can see. Okay, let's get over this rough. Okay, that's not a good idea. Alright, we're going to drive on the other side of the highway because we are in a SUV that's 4-wheel drive, and we are having a hard time driving on this road. There's no way a car could drive on this section of the road. No way. Alright, we're going to turn here and then we continue with the tour, because the other side of the road, well, this side of the road is blocked. You saw where the video started there. Okay, look at this view before we continue. Look at this view. This is how beautiful Jamaica is. And this highway, the view from the highway is only going to let you remember, just in case you haven't been on this side of the island in a while. A beautiful view. Okay. Right, so from Harborview to Albion in St. Thomas, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. You can see the concrete barricade here. You can see the structure of the road. And then from Albion to the Yallow's Bridge, it will be 2 lanes. And then so the highway will be 4 lanes in some sections, 2 in others. And this is the largest road project that the government has on the way now. It's a massive project. It's well needed. The road to get you to St. Thomas was a terrible road, some of the worst roads in Jamaica. So you have to give the government credit. You have to appreciate what they have done. And I have no idea which government started this project, but whichever one did, it was an excellent vision, excellent idea. And I must say, it doesn't matter which government started it, it matters which government ends it. Whichever government goes and clips that ribbon and opens the highway, everybody is going to give that government credit for it. Nobody's going to remember that this highway started in 2017. Everybody is going to remember in 2025 when they open the highway, or they open that section below, and that's just life. That's just how it is. But I must say, whichever government started it, each government that came into power after has continued it. Same thing with Highway 2000. Whichever one started it, every government that has come into power since then has extended the road and built another section and continued the work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this highway. Alright guys, have a good day.